We are going to discuss the onboarding process of a provider on the Your Health Pro platform. First, simply go to the website yourhealthpro.net. Once taken to the website, it will give you the option to join as a Health Pro. After clicking on Join Today, you will be taken to the provider page. This is the go-to platform for all the providers in order to join the Your Health Pro family and scale your business. If you are an existing user, simply sign in. Otherwise, click Sign Up or Register Now to become a Your Health Pro provider. For new providers, you will be prompted to fill the registration form complete with personal information as well as a digital signature. Once you have completed the registration form, click the Sign Up button. You will then have received an email to verify your account and set your password. Copy your temporary password and return to the login page. Type in your email that you used to register along with the temporary password that was emailed to you and click Login. You will then be taken to the second step of verification. At this point, you will have received a second email with the OTP code. Copy the code, paste, and click Verify. You will then be taken to your merchant account with all of your information. Near the top of this page, you will see it says, "To start getting orders with Your Health Pro, please click to complete registration." Click here and you will be taken to Profile Step 2, where you will be prompted to add details, including the currency you use, as well as an option to reset your password. Add any certifications or work experience, degrees, and how you heard about us. You will also need to add coverage area, which means the miles you are willing to travel. Click Submit, and then you will be asked to add your banking details. After filling in banking information, add an identifying document, either a passport or local ID card. Click Submit. After these steps have been completed, you will then have the opportunity to create your appointment types: home, clinic, or televisit. If you wish to perform in-person home visits, click Home Visit. If you wish to perform in-person clinic visits, click Clinic Visit. And if you wish to perform over-the-phone telemed visits, click Televisit. You have the option to choose one or more appointment types. Next, add your cost per hour to the minimum amount. And click Update. Set time and mile amount. And click Update. Congratulations! You have successfully registered with Your Health Pro. Welcome aboard! We look forward to helping you serve others. Thank you for watching.